Sa mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat, ako po si Brian B. Mendoza, Tinatawag ng Daily Devotion ngayong araw, February 17, 2025. Ngayong araw po ay ating tutuloy natin series which is Seminary Admission. Specifically, ang topic po natin for today is about communicable attributes. Bakit maraming tao ay mukhang pera? At ang ating talata po para sa araw na ito ay magagaling sa 1 Peter chapter 1 verse 15 and 16. Sabi po dito, basahin ko po. But just as He who called you is holy, so be holy in all you do. For it is written, be holy because I am holy. So ngayon upang ating mas maunawaan kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng nakasaad sa ating talata at upang ating maintindihan ang ating devotion, ngayon tayo pagdadako sa ating mga teachings for today. So una po, sabi ko dito, basahin ko po. God commands us to worship Him so that we may become like Him. Itong pag-worship po, hindi lang po ito about sa pagkanta ng mga kanta sa church, but it is about pamumuhay na nagdadala ng kapapurihan sa ating Panginoon sa araw-araw ng buhay. So when we focus on Him, yung puso natin at isip natin is na-transform to reflect yung pagmamahal niya, yung patience niya, and yung wisdom ng ating Panginoon. Ikalawa po, God created us in His image, but He did not make us to become God. So, tayo po, we are special kasi we bear His image, but hindi po ibig sabihin ito na we have the ultimate control over everything. So, instead, we are called to submit to Him and trust His plans for our lives. Ikatlo po, God shares His attributes with us, giving us greater responsibility than all other creatures. Tayo po bilang mga tao, we have the ability to love, we have the ability to create and make choices. But with that privilege, it comes with great responsibility to care for creation, to love others, and live in a way na nag-reflect ang character ng ating Panginoon. So, paano po natin ma-apply ng katuran nito ang ipapalaga ako sa ating application? So, una po, pursue God, not money or anything else. So, the world tells us that success is about wealth, about status or material things, but the true fulfillment comes from seeking God first. So, when we prioritize God, everything will fall into place. Ikalawa po, strive in our words. Strive to be Christ-like in all we say and do. So, yung mga actions po natin, yung mga decisions natin, we should aim to do it with yung nakakabigay ng kapagpurahan sa ating Panginoon. So, meaning po, showing kindness, showing patience, and humility even when time is hard. And last but not the least po, live in readiness for the day of judgment. So, yung buhay po isn't just about here and now, but one day we will stand before God. So, let's live each day with purpose, making choices that pagbigay ng kapapurihan sa Kanya, knowing that our faithfulness will be rewarded. Naway marami po tayong tutunan sa araw na ito.